Fucking train coming. I didn't want to be stuck over there. See?
God, that just scared the shit out of me.
I wasn't trying to get stuck over there.
There's a damn train coming.